I was sent this 2-pack of flat-free wheels and tires at no cost so that I could do this review. I'm gonna go ahead and get these things out of the box. We're gonna check out the quality on them, and then I'm gonna go test them out on some stuff I have in the garage. So this is them out of the box. Really nice set of wheels here. I like the fact that it has kind of the thinner tire that goes around it and the larger wheel, and that is probably because these have a 300-pound max load, which is actually pretty good. Some of the wheels like this, the flat free wheels and tires, don't have very high of a load rating on them. So you have to have multiple, usually for like little carts and stuff. But these could be used on dollies, anything like that, that could hold up to 600 pounds because it's 300 each. Then it comes with a set of gloves, which is, nice that they threw these in. And it comes with the spacers and the cotter keys and so forth to put these on whatever it is you're installing them on. So they look good. Let's go try them out. One other thing I wanted to note is these aren't bushings. These are actual bearings. So it's probably because, these do have a higher weight rating. A lot of times you'll get wheels like this that have a bushing in them. And if they sit, they'll kind of wallow out, or if you use them a lot, they kind of wear that bushing out and then they get wobbly. But if you've got bearings in it like this, these things should hold up and stay nice and smooth forever, really, as long as you take care of them. Let's go get these things outside and put them to use. So here is an old dolly that I have that has been useful for many, many years. The problem is it always has flat tires. So this one came with pneumatic tires that you have to inflate, and they're always flat. So I hate messing with the flat tires. I usually skip over the dolly just because of that, but not now. I've got these flat free tires and they're going on here. Wow, now check those out. They are big enough to be like off-road type of dolly tires. Not some of those little thin, little cut in the dirt kind of tires. These are great. So some of the things you do need to know is make sure that your axle that's right here on whatever you're putting these on is the right size for the hole that's in the bearing. You want to make sure that these are going to slide on and be nice and, fit like this instead of having a bunch of wobble. You're also going to want to make sure you have the right diameter tire. So these are 13-inch tires here. This dolly probably could have done 12 maybe. If you go smaller, then it's not going to sit flat. This sits up a little bit higher, but that's fine. I like the fact that it's got these really big wheels. So think about that when you are ordering the wheels. What size height wheel do you need? What's its full diameter? And what size axle do you have? So make sure you order the right ones with the right size axle. Going to work great and actually have a heavier weight limit than the ones that were on there before. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.